Now we can move to MCQ. Chapter number 3. Lean system and innovation. Start panama. Yeah. Shruti, read that one. Lean system and innovation. Thank you.
It's an organized method for waste minimization without sacrificing productivity. Option A, supply chain management. B, lean system. C, customer relationship management. D, customer lifetime value.
So, what is the answer?
Lean system.
The organized method of minimization of waste. Answer is lean system is the correct answer. Which one is not characteristics of lean system? Zero waiting time, zero inventory, full processing, push processing.
Push processing.
Push processing.
Push will not comes under lean system. Lean system not consider the following: overplan, waiting time, motivation, motion, employee satisfaction.
Overplan.
Employee satisfaction.
Employees, 7 types of wastage we come across. Am I right? What are the 7 types of wastage?
Overproduction, inventory, waiting, motion, transportation, rework from defects, overprocessing.
Very good, sir. Very good, sir. So, employee satisfaction is not covered in that. Okay. Next.
Which of the following will not form part of lean system? Option A, 5S. B, theory of constraint. C, total productive maintenance. D, Six Sigma.
Answer is
Theory of constraint.
Theory of constraint.
DOC will not form part of lean system. So, what are the tools for lean system? 5S available, PPM available, Six Sigma, JAD also. Next.
Kaizen costing.
Kaizen costing.
Good. In India, as per 5S, we also has to consider dash. The 6th S, what we have to consider?
Safety.
Set in order, shine, safe.
Safety.
Safety is an additional one we added in India. So what are the 5S? What is the first one? Sort, in order, shine, standardize, sustain. Right, sustain. Good. In India, extra one is called safety. Good.
Clean your workplace is known as shine, standardize, sustain, sort.
So comes under one.
Shine.
Cleaning, shining. Next.
Using FIFO method is an example of sort, set in order, shine, standardize.
FIFO method.
Set in order.
Set in order. Okay. Next. Match it. Yeah. Just
Yes.
Yeah, match it.
Match it, explanation, and yes in 5S.
Hmm.
Do without being told. Arrange all necessary items into their most efficient and accessible arrangements. Reduce changes of being disturbed with unnecessary items. Match it with sustain, set in order, sort.
Do without being told is called
Sustain.
sustain. Arrange all necessary items into their most efficient and accessible arrangement is called setting.
In order.
Reduce chance of being disturbed, sort. So same order, 1A, 2B, 3C. So answer is A. Next.
Keeping all the equipment in top working condition is known as A. TPM, B. TQM, C. OEE, D. 5S.
All equipment in working condition is called
TPM.
TPM.
total productive maintenance. Yes. Next.
Preparation stage, introduction stage, implementation stage, and institutionalization stages comes under TQM, TPM, 5S, or OEE.
Again, TPM. 4 stages in TPM. What are they? Preparation stage, introduction stage,
Introduction.
implementation
Implementation
Stage and
institutionalization.
stage.
What are the 3 goals of TPM? 0 accident, 0
Defects.
but 0
Breakdown.
breakdown. 8 pillars in TPM. What are the 8 pillars? 8 pillars of TPM.
Autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, focused improvement, yearly equipment management, quality maintenance, education and training, TPM in the office, safety and environment.
Very good, sir. Very good. Sir. Next. Again, match it.
Match it. Explanation. Operation of equipment without breakdown. It aims to improve knowledge and skills. This refers to application of TPM techniques in administration to improve productivity and efficiency in the functions with elimination of losses. It aims to have 0 accidents and 0 health damages. Match it with pillars, safety, health and environment, B. Office TPM, C. Education and training, D. Autonomous maintenance.
0 accident, 0 health, the damage and all comes under safety. Clear? For safety measures. Next. Operation of equipment without breakdown. First one.
Autonomous maintenance.
Autonomous maintenance. Yes. Comes under autonomous maintenance. Next. Aims to improve knowledge and skill comes under
education and
Education and training.
education and training. Are them? Yes. Education and training. It's not working. What is the last one? This refers to application of TPM technique used in administration to improve productivity and efficient in function with the elimination of loss. Comes to
Office TPM.
office TPM. Yes. So 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. Right? So D is the answer. Next. Solve the question. Again, pillar and technique.
Pillar, quality maintenance, education and training, office TPM, safety, health and environment. Match it with techniques like drama, analyzing processes and procedure towards increased office automation. C. Training calendar. D. Root cause analysis.
First one is quality maintenance.
Root cause analysis.
Root
Cause
cause
analysis.
analysis.
Root cause analysis. Training, education and training.
training calendar.
Training calendar.
Office TPM. Analyze process and procedure.
Analyze process.
Towards increased office automation.
Yes. Then safety drama. Yeah. This last one is for drama. So again, 1D, 2C, 3B, 4A. So D is the answer. Next. Next.
Which one not comes under time loss? Option A, equipment failure. B, breakdown. C. Setup. D. Reduced speed.
You know, three types of this comes under OEE. Am I right? OEE stands for overall
Equipment efficiency.
equipment efficiency. So three different types of loss are the time loss, speed loss, and
Quality loss.
quality loss. Under time loss, what and all will comes under
Breakdown failures.
breakdown failures and both are
Setup adjustments.
Setup.
Setting up time.
no, what and all comes under time loss. Breakdown failures and setup.
Equipment failure, setup, sir.
Speed loss, reduce speed and
Idling and minor
Idling
stoppage.
loss.
minor. Okay. And the quality loss.
Reduced yield, quality defects on rework.
So the requirement of the question not comes under the time loss. Am I right? So reduced speed is not comes under time loss. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right or not? That comes under the speed. Which one will come under the quality loss?
Quality loss.
Which one comes under the quality loss? Minor stoppage, adjustment, reduced yield, and breakdown.
Reduced yield.
Yield comes under what? Yes,
Reduced
it
yield.
comes under quality loss. It's kind of will comes under. OE is world class performance is 90%, 95, 99, 85.
85.
85.
All comes to 85. Good. Next. Loss per wait, what?
Loss per shift 30 minutes. Total time 300 minutes. Find availability ratio.
Find availability ratio. Yes. Find out. Loss 30, total time 300.
90%, sir.
Balance is equal to what? Yes. 10% loss, clear?
90%.
Therefore, 90% is the correct answer. Availability ratio 90%. Out of 300, 10% gone 30, balance 90%. Next.
Availability ratio 83.54%. Performance ratio 87.28%. OEE 59.89%. Find quality ratio.
So OEE is equal to availability ratio multiply with the performance ratio multiply with the quality ratio. So 83.54 into 87.28 into X is equal to 59.89%. Therefore, quality ratio comes to how much? Able to follow? 83.54 into 87.28 into X is equal to 59.89%. Therefore, X is equal to quality ratio is equal to how much?
So option A, 82.14.
Take it up, all of you. Deva.
82.14, sir.
A is the correct answer. Good.
We need long time to notice, measure, sustained tangible benefits in option A, TPM, B, TQM.
Yes.
So scroll down.
Yeah. No.
C, both. D, none of the above.
Long time to notice the measure, sustained tangible benefit. Where we have to wait for sustained tangible benefit, both TQM as well as
PM.
okay. Next.
Goals of cellular manufacturing includes option A, to move as quickly as possible. B, make a wide variety of similar product. C, making as little waste as possible. D, all of the above.
Answer. Cellular manufacturing, U-shaped manufacturing, U-shaped method, or what? One piece flow manufacturing system. Okay. So the goal, aim behind cellular manufacturing to move as quickly as possible the tools and all equipments, materials. So A is the correct one. B, make a wide variety of similar product. That is also correct one. Makes as little waste as possible. That is also correct one. Therefore, all of the above. Next.
One piece flow production system helps to reduce option A, flow time, B, flow distance, C, floor space, D, all of the above.
One piece flow also called what? The same cellular manufacturing. So what is the advantage?
All of the above.
All of the above.
So we want to reduce the floor time, floor distance, floor space. Therefore, all of the above is the correct answer. Good. Yes.
What is incorrect for DMAIC? Define, measure, analysis, innovation.
So they ask the expansion. D for define, M for measure, A for analysis, I for
Improve.
I for not innovation. What?
Improve.
Improve.
Improve. C for
Control.
Control.
therefore which one is incorrect?
D. Innovation.
Innovation is not correct. Improve is the correct one. Similarly, which one is correct? Previous one is incorrect with respect to DMA, DV. DMA, IC, DMA, DV comes under where? Which area?
Six Sigma.
Six Sigma. Now, DMA, IC and DMA, DV. What are the main difference?
Existing unit and the new unit.
DMA, IC for new one. DMA, DV for
Existing.
existing. Sure. So DMA, DV stands for what? Define. D for define. Measure. Analyze.
Analysis, design,
Design. Verify.
verify. Option A.
Therefore, A Vagana, A is the correct answer. Whereas in DMA, IC, I stands for what?
Improve.
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 So improve.
DMA, IC, improve. If it is improve means for existing system.
System.
DMA, DV, D for design represent for new system.
New system.
DMA, DV for new system. DMA, IC for existing system.
Yes.
Correct. The last but one, the letter I for improve. Therefore, already available. Last but one here, D for
Design.
design. Therefore, for
Design.
B.
okay, Arti Purida. Process innovation falls into production, delivery, support service, all of them.
All of the above.
So, innovative manner we can do the production, innovative manner we have to do the delivery, innovative manner we have to do the support service. Therefore, all of the above is the correct answer. Good. Next.
Match it. Explanation. What? It is an organized method for waste minimization without sacrificing productivity. It helps in keeping all equipment in top working condition so as to avoid breakdowns and delays. It is the combination of Lean and Six Sigma which helps to achieve greater result that has not been achieved in Lean or Six Sigma would have been used individually. The implementation of new and or significantly improved production. Match it with TPM, Lean System, Process Innovation, and Lean Six Sigma.
Okay. Third one is easy. It's a combination of Lean and Six Sigma. It's called what? Lean Six Sigma.
Lean Six Sigma.
There itself clue is available. Am I right?
Sir.
Lean Six Sigma. Next, first one is one. It's an
Lean
organized
system.
method of waste minimization without sacrificing the productivity is called
Lean system.
one for B. Next, it helps in keeping all equipment in top working condition. So as to avoid breakdown is called
TPM.
TP.
CPM.
Next one is the implementation of the new or significantly improved production is called process.
Process
innovation.
innovation.
What is the right answer?
B.
B.
B above. B is the correct answer. Shiva sir, Purida.
Please.
Very good. Always happy man, Shiva sir.
இது நெட் கிடைக்கல சார் லேட் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்பதான் வந்துட்டேன்
Gross கிடைச்சதா நெட் கிடைக்கல. படிங்க.
Which of the following is false about Kaizen costing? A. It uses target costing to set the required planned cost of the product. B. Continuous improvement is aimed at producing new products. C. The purpose is to build the idea of continuous improvement in the production process. D. Focuses on elimination of waste and improving productivity.
Which one is not correct based on Kaizen costing? Which one is not correct? It used target costing to set the required planned cost of the product. Okay. Continuous improvement in aim is production in new products. Aimed at the producing a new product. The purpose of building the idea of continuous improvement in the production process. Focus on elimination of wastage. C is correct, D is correct. Between A and B, which one is not
B.
correct?
B.
B. Sir.
Why B? So continuous improvement is aimed at
Because C.
producing new product. B is not comes under Kaizen costing. Next.
The company wants to implement just-in-time manufacturing both for procurement and production. Which of the following would not be required to be critical success factors required to be met in order to ensure the success of JIT project? Option A. Accuracy of demand prediction and close links with suppliers' supply of raw material. B. Agile production lines that are inflexible to meet the change in demands. C. Low setup time and cost each time there is change in the production line. D. Have sufficient storage space to keep excess inventory.
Not, okay. JIT what is not required? Sufficient storage space not required. Right or not? JIT means whenever we need only, you are going to buy the product. Therefore,
sufficient
B
storage.
is not correct. Right? We don't want sufficient space. More space not required. Therefore, D is not correct. Next.
5S fits in which stage of the PDCA cycle in the context of organizations striving for continuous improvement? Option A. Plan. B. Do. C. Check. D. Action.
So 5S is nothing but what? Office TPM. We have to implement Office TPM. Therefore, do. 5S comes under one. Do will fit up. Do.
Which one is not a benefit of Shine?
Shine.
Option A. Less production downtime. B. Happier employees. C. Improved quality. D. Inventory reduction.
Shine all inventory may not going to reduce. Right? There is no connection between cleanliness and what? Shine. Therefore, not the benefit. Reduction in inventory is not the benefit of Shine.
Which of the following does Kaizen improvement process not focuses on? Option A. 5 years. B. Pokayoki. C. Just-in-time principles. D. Implementation by innovation.
Does Kaizen improve? Not focus. Kaizen not focusing on what? 5 years they are focusing. JIT also. Pokayoki also. Improvement by innovation is not the correct. What is called Pokayoki? Our Ramnath our favorite area. Other than Ramnath. What is called Pokayoki? chance of committing mistake we have to prevent, we have to avoid in the beginning itself is called a papaya cake. Even by way of absence, we are going to commit the mistake. That we have to prevent. That is called a papaya cake. Rightly, sorry, has pointed out. Phone SIM card will be
SIM
there.
card.
SIM card. SIM card is there, no square shape, right? Okay, Sudhi. Either front, either back, in which direction, ups and downs, we'll get the confusion. Am I right? So that if you go in the car, cut the corner, slight cut panituna, we have to fix in the appropriate place only. So that chance of committing mistake will be avoided. If you see those days and all, key will be there. Car key as well as what scooter key, more or less similarly will be there. Right? So we'll try with the water, trial and error basis. Or thereafter, even the scooter key or car key, separate keys, we'll want to try with more than one car or more than one scooter, possibilities there. Now, if you see, it won't fix for the another two-wheeler itself or another car itself. In the sense, what's preventing? Otherwise, it will get damaged, right? After inserting the key, it may going to get damaged. Therefore, avoiding committing what are the chances of committing mistake that we are going to avoid well in advance. Now, Papaya concept has been introduced in even mobile charger also. What charger is iPhone? The same may not be suitable for your charger, right? Other phone chargers. Otherwise, you may try, it may going to get damaged. No? To avoiding the damage or what that type of mistake, we are going to prevent well in advance. It's called Papaya. Good.
Scooter starting, sir. One more thing is scooty starting.
Yes. Brake
Without applying the brake, you cannot start the vehicle.
Yes,
Nowadays, in BS6, they are introducing one more concept, sir. If you are not removing the side stand, your vehicle will not start. Your vehicle will not move up. You cannot put your gear.
So avoiding the mistake, we are going to prevent. We are going to well in advance. Nice. Good. Okay. Every company they are implementing this. We are supposed to aware of okay. Next one. It indirectly says we don't. People are losing our own common sense. That is also you don't apply your sense because it won't allow you to commit the mistake. That is also another angle. Right? Any innovation or invention, side effect is we are losing something in our own talent. Extra talent you are losing. Best example, mobile phone. After mobile phone comes, you used to forget remembering all the numbers. Right? So everywhere, human side, some side effect will be there without knowing. Next, sir. Next, ma'am.
Which of the following is not a tool used in the define process in the DMA IC of Six Sigma?
Sorry.
Option A, project charter and plan. B, check sheet. C, effort or impact analysis. D, process mapping.
So define process like project charter will be there, effort impact analysis will be there, mapping also will be there, check sheet may not be there. Am I right?
6.
Not form part of DMA IC in 6.
Yeah, I see.
So B is the
Correct answer.
it's not a correct answer, it's a wrong answer as per the question. Am I right? Wrong answer is the correct answer. Next.
Which principle or technique is considered as the base platform for TPM? Option A, Six Sigma. B, 5S. C, SMED. D, Kaizen costing.
There is a foundation. 5 years is a foundation. Next.
ABC Limited is a very profitable company with a high sales volume for its products. The company has been in the business for the last 20 years. The business cycles can be predicted with high accuracy. The product it manufactures can be brought off the shelf from the retail stores. Demand is continuous throughout the year. Hence, its inventory turnover is high. Profit margin earned on its sales are high and generate sufficient cash flow. Production cost is optimal when products are produced on large scale. It is a mid-sized company that yields sufficient bargaining power over its suppliers. Factory Factory land is owned and it has sufficient storage area within its premises. Working capital needs of the company are sufficiently met by internal reserves. Requirements. Given the above condition, which type of supply chain may be more suitable for ABC Limited to adopt? Option A, pull model supply chain. B, push model supply chain.
They are producing more product, am I right? Keeping more and more stock so that we can reduce the price of the product to push the product, we can sell the product. Therefore comes under one.
Push
Push
model.
model supply chain.
Pull model, once the order comes, thereafter only will prepare. Therefore it comes under push model.
Push model.
B is the correct answer.
Where in the flow of supply chain are the customers? At the end of the supply chain, which is downstream, or at the beginning of the supply chain, upstream?
So at the end of the supply chain, because we are using model, we are having product, thereafter we are reaching the customer. Therefore, downstream approach. Producing the product and dumping the product to the customer comes under downstream approach.
Implication of high inventory turnover ratio on working capital locked in finished stock is working capital gets locked in finished stock for a shorter period of time, or working capital gets locked in finished stock for a longer period of time.
So high inventory turnover ratio. Turnover ratio high means we are having less period only. Because movement is what? High. Clear? Inventory turnover ratio more means we have more inventory stock. Therefore, we have to sell that stock in the better manner. Therefore, the answer is A.
What advantages can ABC derive from economies of scale of production on production cost and the ability to wield sufficient bargaining power over its suppliers? Option A. The factors provide ABC Limited a competitive advantage on the ability to compete with the market based on the price of the product. It can follow low-cost advantage strategy. Option B. The factors provide ABC Limited a competitive advantage on the ability to compete with the market based on the variety of finished product. It can follow the product differentiation advantage strategy.
So answer is A. The question is only one thing. They are producing more and more product, right? Produce பண்ணிடுறாங்க. Once they produced more, they have to go by push model only. Downstream approach only, right? Because they are not following JAT. Then more production, overall cost will come down. Therefore, they can reduce the price. Therefore, it comes under the low cost advantage. Understood?
Okay.
Yes.
What are the risks involved in selected model? Option A, risk of overstocking due to variations in actual demand as compared to forecast. Option B, inventory has working capital locked in finished stock and there is a higher need for storage space for finished work. Option C, both. Option D, neither of the above.
Overstock due to, overstocking may possible. If I'm going to produce more product. Inventory working capital, yes. Working capital locked. Therefore, storage space, yes. Both are correct ones, right or not? A and B are correct. Because I have produced more and more product. Next.
So,
No, yes.
what in the third question, what does it mean that working capital locked means what?
Which question, Kana?
Implication of high inventory turnover ratio.
Same question, right? This question, right?
Yes.
If I'm going to produce more product, my amount has been invested to produce the product. My money has blocked as a stock alone. Stock comes under working capital only. No?
Yeah. Correct.
Current asset comes into working capital only.
Right.
Okay? Therefore, unless I is going to sell the product, I can't afford to get back the money invested. Therefore, it comes under opportunity cost. My money is asset stock. I invested the money, and the more stock is available. Still, I am going to reach the customer and they sell the product. I can't get back the money. Therefore, my
Okay.
amount blocked in working capital. That's
Okay.
blocked in working capital. Understand?
Okay.
Next.
Had ABC Limited been producing products that are highly customized in nature based on individual customer requirements, what would be the more appropriate type of supply chain to adopt? Pull model supply chain or push model supply chain?
What the answer?
Full model.
Pull. If the company, depending upon the customer, they are going to produce, then it comes under what? Pull model. Presently, they are in push model. Good. Next question.
Hello Pharmaceutical Limited is producing medication products, pills, balms, etc., and can be called high volume based production environment. There are several different automated production machines located in the plant through which the production of medicines is accomplished and fulfill the demands. Plant operates in double shift a day, each consisting of 8 hours with 30 minutes lunch break and tea break of 15 minutes. Following data pertains to automated machine CH79. Breakdown, repair and startup time 68 minutes. Standard cycle time 2.5 minutes per tablet. Quality loss due to scrap, rework, rejection 50 tablets. Total quantity produced 280 tablets. Required to find total time loss per shift in minute.
First one is time loss they are asking. Am I right? Time loss because of what? Lunch break is there. Tea break is there. Lunch break how many minutes?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Per shift. 3 tea break, 15 minutes per
15
shift.
minutes.
And breakdown and all,
68. 68.
8 minutes per shift or what?
Total.
Total. This is for how many shift? Any number of shift given in this question? Double shift. Am I
Two
right?
shifts. Two
Two
shifts.
shifts.
So 68 divided by 2 is equal to
34.
30. 34 plus 15 plus 30 is equal to time loss.
C. Sir.
It's for
79 minutes.
68 is for 2 shifts. Therefore, what is the answer?
C.
79.
79 is a time time loss. So A is the correct. What is the next one gonna?
Total available time for work in minute.
Available time. Total time how much comes to how much gonna? Total time comes to number of hours worked.
17 hours.
Totally how many days they worked? 8 hours, am I right? How many days? 8 hours a day. Yeah, how many days they worked in a week?
Seven days.
All the 7 days up.
Not mentioned.
Check it up.
Sir, it is like double shift each day consisting of 8.5 hours, sir. So each shift 8.5 hours.
Okay, that is okay, Kannan. We are uniformly are going to compute per shift basis. So 8 hours they are working, am I right? 1 hour is equal to how many minutes? In a shift,
60 minutes.
in a
60
shift-
minutes.
yeah, in a shift they are working for 8 hours. 8 hours into 60 is equal to
480.
480. Out of which 79 minutes is a lost time.
Lost
Therefore,
time.
time comes to
401.
401.
401 is the available time. Am I right? Available time 8 hours into 60 minutes. Out of which 79 minutes is a lost time. Balance is equal to available time. 401. Is it right?
401.
Are you able to follow?
Okay, sir.
Next. Third one.
Availability ratio is
So availability ratio out of 480, we are having 401 only. Therefore, how much availability ratio?
83.54%.
83.54%. B is the correct. What the next? What the next one?
Total standard time required to produce the product in minute is?
Total standard time required to produce the product. Any information with respect to production detail?
Yes, sir.
0.5 minutes per tablet.
Per tablet.
Number?
Per tablet,
2.5
5 minutes per tablet.
Standard
tablets they are producing. Number of
280 tablets.
Number?
280 tablets they are producing, and each tablet 2.5.
280 tablet per 2 shift. Per shift comes to how much?
140.
140. 140 is the number of tablets produced. To produce one product, you need 2.5 minutes. Therefore, how much the time required?
350.
350 minutes.
Because the word standard always ends with the actual production. Right or not? Number of unit produce பண்றது எவ்வளவு time ஆகும்? Everything per shift basis. Therefore, number of unit produced per shift into 2.5 is equal to 350. Am I right? 350 minutes per tablet. Next.
Actual time taken in minute is?
How much the actual time taken in minutes? Any information with respect to actual time taken? That is what we found out. How much? Previously, 401 upper.
401.
401. So, performance ratio. The next requirement is performance ratio. Am I right? Find the performance ratio. Four not one is a time utilized, but you suppose take only 350. Therefore, what about the performance? 401 is the total available time, am I right? Whereas you suppose take only 350 minutes. Therefore, what is the performance?
87.28%.
87.28 above. 87.28. B is the correct answer, am I right? Not writing at all. What next?
Production per shift.
Production per shift. How much the production per shift?
140 tablets.
140.
2 shift is equal to? Yes. What is given in this question for 2 shift? Therefore, 140 is the per shift number of product produced. Tablet.
Numbering interesting here, sir. 7 oda numbering ரொம்ப interesting, sir.
Why, sir? என்ன
Sir, 7 வந்து VII இல்லையா?
Okay.
நம்ம என்ன போட்டிருக்கோம்? 2 I போட்டு V போட்டிருக்கோம். ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஷிஃப்ட்டுக்கு முன்னாடி.
Okay. ஓ, அது மிஸ்டேக்ங்கிறத டீசெண்டா சொன்னீங்களா? தேங்க்யூ.
சார் அது ஒரு சீரியஸ் மிஸ்டேக் இல்ல. பட் ஒரு பார்க்க ஒரு வித்தியாசமா தெரியுது சார். வேற ஒன்றும்
சீரியஸா ஒர்க் பண்ணும்போது மிஸ்டேக்லாம் வந்துரும் பசங்களுக்கு. எங்க இருக்காரு சார்? இண்டஸ்ட்ரியல் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் அப்படியே புழிவார். நெக்ஸ்ட் நானும் 140 280 ஏதாவது போட்டு லிங்க் ஏதோ கொடுத்துருவாங்க யோசிச்சுட்டு உங்களுக்கு எஸ்கிஸ்கின்றதானே கேட்டது. நீங்க அப்படிதானே பாத்தீங்க? Next, scrap unit per shift. Roll up a scrap unit per shift. Any number of units scrapped given in this question? Defective product.
D is the answer.
Given or you have to compute?
50 was given.
50 is
25.
given, sir.
50.
For the 2 shift, therefore 25 is a per shift answer. Am I right? Next. Find OEE. What is the formula for OEE? OEE is equal to
Availability ratio. Performance.
performance into quality.
Quality.
Availability, you got it already. Performance also, you got it. Quality, you have to compute. What about the quality? 140 tablet out of is 25 gone. Okay? 25 only, no? Therefore, numerator 140 minus 25, denominator 140 into 100 is equal to quality percentage. How much the quality percentage? How much the quality percentage?
82.14.
Up 82.14 into performance ratio into availability ratio. Combination of 3 is equal to OEE. What is the answer for OEE? Performance ratio 87.28. Already we got availability ratio also in the previous one. Am I right? Availability 83.54. Therefore, OEE comes to what is the answer now? Take your own time till tomorrow. Availability into performance into quality. Combination of 3% is equal to OEE. That's gonna
59.89.
check it up, all of you. Is it right?
Yes, sir. 59.89.
59.89%. A is the correct answer. Deva, got it? Shiva sir, Purida?
Okay, sir.
Next. What is the expected world-class performance in OEE percentage?
85.
85%.
That's given in the theory itself, 85%.
85%.
So advise the company. Company's OEE 59.89 or 56%. World class 85. Therefore, better to improve or maintain the
Improve.
Improve.
improve. If you are not. So, manageable?
Yes, sir.
All are comfortable?
31 மட்டும் ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் சார் 31.
31 என்ன question படிங்க?
ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
வேற படிங்களா டக்குனு?
எடுக்கணும் சார். 31 which principle of technique is considered as the base for platform for TPM, sir? Six Sigma, 5S, SMED, Kaizen.
Which
5S.
5S.
platform for foundation for the TPM is 5 years. The theory
Okay.
is foundation is 5 years. Thereafter
Okay.
it's independent.
Okay, that's it.
So enjoyed.
Okay.